The Egyptian sun beats down upon the Giza plateau, its relentless rays scorching the ancient sands and casting long shadows across the land. Here, three colossal pyramids rise from the sand, their forms unmistakable against the endless horizon. For over 4,500 years, these monuments have stood as silent witnesses to history, watching empires rise and fall and the world change around them. Their scale is staggering, each block taller than a person, millions stacked to form mountains of stone, a feat that defies imagination even today. Once gleaming white, their weathered faces still inspire awe, hinting at the dazzling sight they must have been in their prime, reflecting the sun's brilliance for miles. Aligned with the stars, they glow orange at sunset, a daily reminder of their cosmic connection and their dedication to the sun god Ra. The ancient Egyptians believed these structures bridged earth and sky. These are not just tombs, but declarations of power, faith and belief in the afterlife. Every stone is a testament to a civilization's spiritual vision and ambition. To stand at their base is to feel small, dwarfed by human ambition and the sheer scale of what was achieved so long ago. The Great Pyramid of Khufu alone contains enough stone to build a wall around France, a staggering fact that hints at the immense effort and organization required. How did an ancient civilization achieve such a feat without steel wheels or modern machinery? The methods remain a source of fascination and debate. The air is thick with history and questions, as if the stones themselves are holding on to secrets from a distant past. The wind whispers secrets across the sand, secrets we're still trying to understand as each new discovery brings more mysteries to light. Researchers and explorers have spent centuries trying to unlock the pyramid's mysteries, piecing together clues from ancient texts and artifacts. These pyramids challenge our perception of the past, inviting us to imagine the world as it once was. They force us to reconsider what ancient people were capable of, and to marvel at their ingenuity and determination. They are the greatest riddle ever written in stone, a puzzle that continues to intrigue and inspire. Even now they captivate us, thousands of years after their creation, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. The pyramids endure as timeless symbols of human ingenuity, ambition, and the eternal quest to leave a mark upon the world. The true mystery of the pyramids isn't just who built them, but how such an extraordinary feat was even possible in the ancient world. Imagine Egypt in 2560 BC. No cranes, no trucks, no modern machinery, just the relentless sun, endless sand, and the determination of thousands of workers relying on human muscle and simple tools. With copper chisels, wooden sledges and papyrus ropes, the Egyptians set out to build monuments for eternity. Every stone was shaped and moved by hand, a testament to their ingenuity and perseverance. The Great Pyramid alone contains over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. Each block had to be quarried, transported and set with astonishing precision. Granite for the King's Chamber was quarried 800 kilometers away and transported down the Nile, a journey that would have required careful coordination and immense effort. Every step was a logistical puzzle, demanding not only physical strength but also advanced planning and mathematical genius. The organization behind the construction was as impressive as the monument itself. The Egyptians left no blueprints or manuals. Perhaps the knowledge was so common it didn't need recording. Or maybe the secrets were passed down orally, lost to time. Today we see the result, a near-perfect mountain of stone, aligned almost exactly to the cardinal points, standing as a silent witness to human ambition. The exact methods remain shrouded in mystery, hidden beneath centuries of sand and speculation. Its construction continues to fuel debate and speculation among archaeologists, engineers and historians alike, each offering new theories and insights. We're left piecing together clues from sand, stone and a handful of ancient texts, still searching for answers to one of history's greatest engineering marvels. The leading theory for pyramid construction is the use of ramps. If you can't lift a block straight up, you push it up a slope. But what kind of ramp? A long, straight ramp would have been massive, possibly as big as the pyramid itself. Other ideas suggest zigzagging ramps along the pyramid's face or even spirals. Each design has its own challenges, maneuvering huge blocks around corners or building ramps that wouldn't collapse. A compelling modern theory proposes an internal ramp spiraling up inside the pyramid, explaining the lack of external ramp evidence. French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin's 3D models support this idea. It's an elegant solution, gaining traction among Egyptologists. The truth may be a combination of methods. The ramp debate highlights the Egyptians' adaptability and creativity. The mystery of their construction methods remains a source of fascination. Ramps alone don't explain the precise placement of multi-ton blocks. Here, the lever, a simple machine, was likely crucial. With wooden poles and fulcrums, small teams could nudge massive stones into place. Workers would lift one edge, slide a shim underneath and repeat, inching the block into position. It was slow, dangerous, and required perfect teamwork. Wet sand may have helped too. Dampening the sand reduced friction, making sledges easier to pull. Ancient carvings show workers pouring liquid before a sledge, hinting at this practical knowledge. The Egyptians mastered simple machines and organized their workforce on an epic scale. Their genius lay in applying basic physics with discipline and creativity. There was no single magic solution, just relentless problem solving. This was human ingenuity at its finest. The image of slaves building the pyramids is a myth. Archaeology reveals a workforce of skilled Egyptian laborers, not captives. Excavations at Giza uncovered a workers' village with bakeries, breweries, and medical care. These laborers were well fed and valued, not brutalized. Tombs near the pyramids show respectful burials and evidence of medical treatment. The workforce included permanent craftsmen and rotating teams of farmers working during the Nile's flood season. For many, pyramid building was a form of civil service. Paid, fed and honoured, it was a national project, a source of pride and stability. The pyramids were built by Egyptians for Egyptians. Their achievement reflects skill, organisation and shared purpose. The pyramid's grandeur has inspired wild theories. Aliens, lost civilizations, mysterious technologies. The ancient astronaut theory claims extraterrestrials helped build them, citing mathematical precision and star alignments. Others suggest a forgotten advanced society, or exotic techniques like acoustic levitation. But there's no credible evidence for any of this, no strange tools, no alien inscriptions. Archaeology finds only copper tools, wooden sledges, and the remains of ordinary Egyptians. These fringe theories are appealing, but they oversimplify a complex achievement. Attributing the pyramids to outsiders dismisses Egyptian ingenuity and dedication. The real wonder is that humans, with simple means, built something so enduring. The pyramids are a testament to our own potential. Their true story is more inspiring than any myth. Building the Great Pyramid was a triumph of organization as much as engineering. Behind the scenes, a vast logistical network kept the project running for decades. Stone was quarried, shaped, and transported from distant sites, coordinated with the Nile's floods. On the plateau, managers, overseers, and scribes tracked every detail: materials, food, tools, and progress. Ancient records ensured resources were used efficiently and the schedule was met. Architects and engineers calculated angles, chamber dimensions, and perfect alignments using simple tools. The precision achieved is astonishing, even by today's standards. The pyramid's construction was a symphony of coordinated effort. It showcased the Egyptian state's ability to mobilize people and resources. The unseen blueprint behind the stones is a marvel in itself. Despite centuries of study, the pyramids still guard their secrets. We have theories, but no definitive answers, especially about how the highest stones were placed. The internal ramp is plausible, but unproven. How did they move 80-ton granite beams into the king's chamber? Recent scans have revealed a mysterious void above the Grand Gallery, its purpose unknown. The builder's precision in leveling and alignment remains astonishing. Each discovery brings new questions, keeping the mystery alive. The pyramids have fascinated us for over 4 millennia. standing as silent witnesses to the rise and fall of civilizations. Their presence on the horizon is a reminder of humanity's enduring quest to understand the world and our place within it. They are more than tombs. They are a testament to human ambition and creativity, built with vision and determination. Each stone, carefully placed, tells a story of ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of greatness. They mark the dawn of monumental architecture, built for eternity. Their scale and precision continue to astonish architects and engineers even today, challenging us to imagine what is possible. The pyramids challenge our assumptions about the past and our own capabilities. They invite us to reflect on the power of collective effort and the mysteries that still remain unsolved. They remind us that with ingenuity and cooperation, humans can achieve the impossible. The teamwork and organization required to build these wonders inspire us to work together toward shared goals. Their enduring mystery sparks curiosity and wonder, inviting us to keep asking questions. Each visit, each discovery, adds a new layer to our understanding and deepens our fascination. The pyramids are an outdoor classroom teaching us about history, engineering, and the thrill of discovery. They connect generations, inspiring both young and old to learn and explore. They represent our desire to leave a lasting mark on the world, to be remembered by future generations. Their stones echo with the hopes and dreams of those who built them. As symbols of unity and greatness, they inspire us to dream bigger. The pyramids encourage us to reach beyond our limits and imagine what we might accomplish together. The pyramids endure because they speak to something deep within us, a longing for meaning, for achievement, and for connection across time. They show what humanity can achieve when united in purpose, reminding us that our greatest accomplishments are born from collaboration and vision. We will always look to the sun-scorched Sentinels of Giza for inspiration as they continue to watch over us, urging us to build, to wonder, and to dream.